Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Jacqueline Price, and I'm back again to share a quick video to share this tool that I found. Another feature I want to share with you guys. This tool is absolutely amazing, but a little about myself. Um, First, I want to appreciate you for stopping by and watching my video. I would ask that you would like the video, share the video, comment down below, and while you're down there, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you don't miss any of my amazing videos that will help you simplify your business, that will help you be able to put more money in your pocket, that will be able to help you maybe even start a home business. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and we're going to jump right into it. This video is not going to be long at all. This tool is called Social Prospector Pro. And so what we're going to talk about today is the friend request cancellation tool. That is a feature that's extremely effective. And you know how sometimes when you've sent out so many requests and maybe they haven't answered. And so what we have right here is this tool right here. This feature is going to allow, what I'm going to do is going to allow us to pick up those friends that we've sent those friend requests to, and we're going to cancel some of them. So let's let it scan and see. Let's see how many I have total pending. Let's see if it'll scan and see how many friend requests I have. Okay, there we go. Let's see if it's scanning. Okay, come on now. Okay, there we go. So it's scanning for friend requests that I have sent out that maybe those people, for whatever reason, um, have not responded. And so that's what it's doing. No, it should be more than 10. Okay, there it goes. It's kicking in now. So it says the scan is complete. Still going. Still going. Probably that was the first one. So we're going to see how many I have, and then we're going to cancel. We'll probably cancel about, I'll probably cancel about 30. So I guess because I clicked all those different times, and that's what it did. Okay, so it says I have 150 total pending friend requests, friends that I've sent requested to be their friends, and they have not responded. And so this button right here, you want to always go to the oldest to the newest, because those are going to be your oldest requests that you've sent out. And so I'm going to put it on 30. I'll just put it on, I'll put it on 15. And that way you get to see how it works. So it's going to scan first. Okay, cancel. It's going to scan through first. And then you can go back and you'll see how they start to cancel. Okay, it's already, oh, it didn't have many to scan, so it's canceling them right now. So we'll cancel about 15 and then we'll stop. Bye bye, bye bye. You guys didn't respond to my friend request, so you got to go. Bye bye. And you know, a lot of times when you send out so many, then you can't send out any more because Facebook has a restriction on it. And so this feature allows you to just delete them and start over. You can cancel them and then you can start over. So that's 13, should have 14 and 15. That should be it. There you go. It's all complete. So that's how that feature works. And let's see if I have any, if I picked up any deactivated profiles. Okay, none. Okay, great. And so then I want to show you this feature right here, to how you can scroll down and heart your posts that are in your timeline. And this saves a lot of time It's not full engagement, but this does, you're just putting love on everybody's post. And so we know that if you're using your Facebook profile for um, money, to make money, to earn money from home, then you want to be showing love on your page. You want to show love on other people's pages. You want to engage. And so that's the name of um, the game. That's how it works, guys. This particular tool, and I want to make sure that you understand that this particular tool is amazing, and it will help you automate a lot of things within your business, within your Facebook page that you don't have to do manually. It saves you a lot of time. And then I want to also let you know that you can earn commissions with this particular tool. And so as you share it with other people, you get to earn money. And so that's amazing. And these are the two features that I wanted to share with you, how you can delete pending friend requests with just a few clicks, with just a few clicks. And, you know, yeah. So delete pending friend requests, and see now this feature here, since we were here, I just wanted to show you how the heart button, we're spreading love, how that button works, and you're spreading love on everyone's post that's in your news feed. And we're gonna heart about, because I don't want this video to be too long, but we're gonna go to about 25. I'll go to 20 and then I'm gonna stop. So that's 16, 17, saves you a lot of time, and you can just set this up and do something else. 18, that's 19, and then one more, and then we're gonna stop right here. And so I just wanted to show you, the features of the friend cancellation part about it, and how it's easy to delete all those pending friend requests that we get, that you send out on Facebook and people don't respond. So that's what I wanted to show you guys today. And I'm going to post a link down below. So if you think you need this tool to be able to add new friends to your page, to be able to get rid of deactivated profiles, if you need any of these features listed here, then you need this tool. Okay? So I'm going to post a link down below. You check it out, and I will talk to you guys on the next video.